Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our April new products video. Our first new product is battery brace. This fits the 94 to 96 Ford Bronco and the 94 to 97 F-Series pickup. What this does, this bolts to the fender on the right-hand side and to the end of the battery tray. This supports it when you go down the road. When it's bouncing, this keeps it stiff so it doesn't break off. Ford made these, were black with a powder coat. They get rusty and look really bad. We've had this redone, heavy duty steel, galvanized dip so it will not rust. Give you the mounting bolt and clip. Again, battery support bracket, 94 to 96 Bronco, 94 to 97 F-Series pickup. And our next new product is this courtesy light assembly. We sell the lenses by itself, or if the whole thing's broke, we have these. These are sold in pairs. These are driver's and passenger side. Got the backing plate, which holds the pigtail, lens, and reflector. These are for the 92 to 96 Bronco, 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. When you have XLT, these fit in the door panels, so when you open your door, you're on the street or on a parking lot and it's dark, this light comes on so people can see it. Again, 92 to 96 Bronco, 92 to 97 XLT Ford truck, courtesy light assemblies, sold in pairs. And our next new product are these screws here. These are for the 78 to 96 Ford trucks and Broncos. These are for the wheel caps. So if you got the white wagon wheels or steel wheels or the aluminum, nice aluminum rims, there's a cap that goes on there. It's black plastic or it's a nice chrome one. Well, these are the screws. Stuff gets lost over the years, breaks off. Again, we sell these, sold in a dozen, so you can do the whole truck. There's 3 per wheel. Again, this fits for the 78 to 96 Ford trucks and Broncos. And our next new product is this reinforcement. This fits for the Ford Bronco and F-Series pickup, late 90s. This is for the Ford EOD transmission. You know, after a while, the pan leaks, so it gets distorted. So what you do is basically unbolt it, slide this up in place, screw it back in, and give you a uniform torque all the way around. We sell this brand new, galvanized so it doesn't rust, laser cut. We also sell this really nice lube locker gasket which you could put in there. And if your pan's bad, we also sell the Ford pans. Also, heavy duty steel construction. Again, this reinforcement bracket for the Ford EOD transmissions. And for our April Web Truck Life, we had Mike Bauman's 79 Bronco. It's a big block truck. It's a family project. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support, and hope to see you again next month.
'79, purchased it in 2018 with an engine fire. So far, I've replaced the front clip, all the wiring, put a 460 in it. After that, we just got it roadworthy, and we have been driving the wheels off of it, having fun with it since. Got it done in probably about 2020, had it on the road. And we take it out every chance we get in the summer. I've got 3 boys that if I'm not driving it, somebody takes the keys and it's gone. So it is a family piece. I still got to do all the body work and paint. I will do that eventually, but I don't want to tear it apart because we're having too much fun with it. Right. So I have another body shell sitting at home, another tub, and I'm going to work on that, get all the body work done, paint that, and then we're going to swap tubs. Okay. So that way things will move along a little bit faster. But yeah, other than that, it's just, this truck, I love it because I can take it out dirty. I don't care. People still talk to me about it. This thing can be covered in mud. People will walk up to me at a gas station and talk to me about it. Somebody in their family had a Bronco, and it starts a conversation all the time. I've always loved these old trucks. And the reason we got it is my wife had an '89 Bronco back in the day, and she loved that truck. We sold it because we had our 3rd kid, and we got a minivan, which I swore I'd never own a minivan, but we did. And my wife came to me one day and she says, I want a Bronco. She says, our kids are getting older, we have some disposable income, I want a Bronco. And I found this one on the east side of the state, and we bought it. And the rest is history, I guess you can say. We drove it from Holland up here. We took all the scenic back roads that we could find, and we just did 55, 60, and that's all this thing I'm comfortable with, let's put it that way, for the RPMs and that kind of stuff. But we just have fun with it.
So you said 460, still got a stock
C6.
C6?
Yep,
okay.
Yep. No overdrive or anything. So it's not very highway friendly, but I don't care. I can take back roads. It doesn't bother me one bit. I love it.